Breaking news: the United States has deployed a major aircraft carrier strike group to the Caribbean in what officials call a show of force aimed at deterring regional instability and increasing pressure on hostile regimes. The move comes amid rising tensions involving U.S. adversaries in the region and growing security concerns over arms trafficking and foreign military influence. Pentagon officials say the deployment is meant to protect U.S. interests, ensure freedom of navigation, and reassure allies in the Western Hemisphere. This marks one of the largest U.S. naval operations in the Caribbean in recent years, signaling Washington's commitment to maintaining a strong presence in the region. Remember to follow Daily World News 26, like, comment, and share for more.